Hello everyone, and welcome back to MarketClick's YouTube channel. Today, we will be diving into an exciting world of Selenium WebDriver, where elegant and accurate browser battles are put together by code that turns them into a digital magicians. But before that, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech content from ED. Also, visit the MarketClick's website for training and certification courses, the link to which is in the description box below. Now, let us take a quick look at the agenda of today's video. First, we will begin with the introduction. Then we will discuss what is exactly Selenium, along with the Selenium components. Then we will discuss what is Selenium WebDriver and why it is needed. Along with that, we will discuss why Selenium WebDriver. Then, we will take a look at the Selenium WebDriver framework architecture. Then we will discuss the benefits and the limitations of Selenium WebDriver. Followed by that, we will discuss Selenium RC versus WebDriver. And finally, we will code a demo of WebDriver automation testing and finish off with a conclusion. Now, without any further delay, let's get started with the introduction. An automated tool of testing web application is called as WebDriver, known by its common name, Selenium WebDriver. It is not dependent on the servers like Selenium RC. Instead, it directly communicates with the browser. It can also handle multiple pop-ups, alert pop-up windows, and frames, and also difficult navigation on the pages. It also have an advanced user interface navigation like drag and drop, and uses the UI component. Now, we will discuss about what is Selenium. Selenium is a tool that is widely used in testing community for cross-browser testing. Selenium can also be used in browsers and cannot be used in automated desktop application. It is regarded as one of the most popular tools for web application automation testing because it is supported by popular web browsers, making it extremely powerful. Now, we will discuss a bit more about Selenium components. Selenium is an extensive collection of tools designed to help in testing and automation of web application. The Selenium key components are as follows. Selenium components are divided into 4 types. Scripts. First one is Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is a browser extension that helps you to create test scripts more easily. It also has a record and playback features that allows beginners to generate test scripts without writing code. The Selenium IDE Chrome and Firefox extension are also available. Next is Selenium RC. Working with Selenium RC, remote control requires a firm understanding of at least one programming language. These tools allow you to create mobile-first tasks in any programming language of your choice. Selenium RC has 2 main components, which are server and client libraries. Its architecture is complex and also has limitations. Next is Selenium Grid. Grid enables the execution of test scripts on multiple machines in parallel, resulting in a distributed testing environment. It is extremely useful for cross-browser testing and shortening test execution time. The last one is Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is a more complex version of Selenium WebC. It was released in market to address the shortcoming of Selenium RC, countless being an advanced version of RC. Its architecture is completely different. Selenium WebDriver, like Selenium RC, supports multiple programming language and platforms to provide a greater flexibility and does not require the knowledge of any programming language. Now we have a clear view about the components of Selenium. Next, we will move on to what is Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver was the first cross-platform testing framework capable of configuring and controlling browsers at the operating system level. It served as a programming interface for developing and executing test cases. WebDriver allows you to automate testing and interaction between web application by writing script in various programming language such as Python, Java, Ruby, JavaScript, etc. Selenium WebDriver is an important component of web application testing and automation because it is a powerful tool of automating web browser interaction. Now, we will move on to the needs for Selenium WebDriver. The challenges and the requirements of testing web application requires the use of Selenium WebDriver. Here are some of the main reasons why Selenium the WebDriver is so popular in web testing. One of such reasons is cross-browser compatibility testing. Because web application must function across multiple browsers and visions, cross-browser compatibility is crucial. Selenium WebDrivers enable testers to create scripts that can run on various browsers, assisting in finding and fixing browser-specific issues. The next reason is automation of monotonous tasks. Manual web application testing can be time-consuming and error-mistic, especially when repeating across multiple test cycles. Selenium WebDriver automates routine tasks, resulting in less testing efforts and more accurate results. Then, integration with testing frameworks. Selenium WebDriver combines easily with popular testing frameworks such as JUnit, testing, and NUnit. This allows for a better test cases organization, reports, and management. Next is validation of business workflows. Web application frequently includes complex business workflows that must be validated. Selenium WebDriver allows testers to script and automate the validation of end-to-end workflows, ensuring that crucial business process works properly. The last one is dynamic web application. Dynamic contents and asynchronous behaviors are used in many modern web applications to deal with the challenges of dynamically changing web pages. Selenium WebDrivers include mechanisms such as dynamic waits. Now, we will discuss why Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is a popular choice of web automation and testing. Here are a few reasons why. Platform independent. Selenium WebDriver is platform independent, which means the test written in one operating system, for example, Windows, can be run on another operating system, for example, Linux. This adaptability facilitates the maintenance and the growth of test. Next is open source and community support. Selenium is an open source project with community support. This includes outgoing development, frequent updates, and strong community support. Users can benefit from resources, documentation, and discussion contributed by the community. Next is versatility of web application types. Selenium WebDriver can be used to test a wide range of web applications, including static contents, websites, dynamic single-page application, and complex enterprise-level application. Next is comprehensive testing. Selenium WebDriver supports a wide range of testing such as functionality, regression, and user acceptance testing. This enables you to cover a wide range of web testing requirements. The last one is dynamic waits and synchronization. In modern web application, handling dynamic web pages and asynchronized conduct is crucial. Action waits are provided by Selenium WebDriver server, allowing scripts to wait for elements to appear and disappear. This assists in avoiding synchronization issues. Now we will discuss about the framework architecture of Selenium WebDriver. WebDriver architecture are made up of 4 major components. The first one is Selenium Client Library. Selenium supports a variety of library, including Python, Ruby, and Java. Thanks for the language binding created by Selenium developer to ensure language compatibility. For example, if you want to use a browser driver in Python, you can get all of the supporting language binding from Selenium official website. Next is JSON Wire Protocol. JavaScript Object Notation is commonly known as GOO. It is an open standard that provides a mechanism for sending data between the web client and the server.